Bookies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique if you're new, and in today's video I'm going to be installing this 13 by 6 28-inch body wave wig from Sterly hair. All of the details for the wig can be found down in the description box below, but if you want to see how I achieved this install, keep on watching. Okay, Bookies, so a lot of you may not know this, but I do have my own lace products line. I have my So Clingy lace adhesive, which is seen here. And I also have my So Melted melting spray, my So Lifted remover. And all these products can be found on my website, therealbabyd.com. The link will be found out in the description box below. And when I'm installing my wigs, I like to use 3 to 4 layers of my So Clingy lace adhesive, and the wig will be stuck for a very long time. But if it didn't come with me being a wig influencer, then I will have my wigs on for a long period of time. But they last me up through my next install with my glue. So all of those details can be found down in the description box below. And I'm going to give y'all the tea on this wig. Like I said in the intro of this video, this is the Sterly Hair 13 by 6 20-inch body wave wig. And this wig is from TikTok Shop, and the link will be down in the description box below. And honestly, it's giving length, softness, and a whole lot of scalp. When I tell you, this is probably the most big head friendly wig I've had in a very long time. Like, even with tightening the clasps in the back, the wig still had like a gap in the back. So if you have a big head, this wig will be perfect for you. And it's a full frontal. You know, those are hard to come by. So I was able to do my deep side part with no issue. I already know that a 13 by 6 is hard to come by, since a lot of these vendors are selling nothing but 13 by 4s, and it's so hard to find a full frontal. Everyone wants to sell a lace front, baby. How you expect me to do a deep side part with a lace front? It's not happening. So the extra parting space in the front gives so much room for deep side parts, any type of hairstyles, clean middle parts, and such like a cute up, half down if you feel like switching it up. And the length, baby, 28 inches. And mind you, I'm short, I'm 5'1", so 28 honestly gives me a good 30 to 32 inches, and it is true to length. Because I know when somebody is playing in my face with a good 28-inch, but it's giving like 26, like, no, they're not doing that over here. And it really gives I like cash in my hair to my ass. And I love that, because I love long, full hair. In terms of customization, this hair, it was easy to customize. Like, the knots were small, so plucking and bleaching were a breeze. I did not have to double bleach, because you know, sometimes with these hairlines and these knots be thick as grits. So I'm glad they weren't. I was able to do my L'Oreal Quick Blue with my 40 volume developer for a good like 30 minutes, and everything bleached perfectly. The knots toned well, and the hairline wasn't dense, so plucking did not take me 90 years. So now let's get into the texture. This hair is super soft, like buttery soft. I was really surprised when I pulled it out. I was like, I've never tried anything from Sterly Hair. So I was like, let's see what they're talking about. There's no tangling, but baby, does this wig shed. It is shedding like a dog. Like, it's so bad. Like, plucking it, she was shedding, brushing it, shedding it after I attempted to curl it. We're going to get into the curls. But it was just shedding so bad. Like, even when I was washing it, I was like, oh my Lord, Jesus, what is going on? But it is a nice wig other than all this shedding. And the quality does feel nice and smooth. But if you can't deal with the shedding, then I advise you to go elsewhere. But like, we also have to realize these wigs are going to shed no matter what. But some do shed more than others. And this one right here, baby, there was hair everywhere. Okay, but now let's get into the lace. This is a transparent lace. And while it did melt with a little help, I'm going to be honest with y'all. The lace, she a little ashy, so you're gonna have to use about 2 shades darker than you normally would in order to get that seamless blend. Like, it's a thin transparent compared to other transparents, but it was still a little thick to me, so it's not a slap on and go lace. You definitely want to take your time and customize it, double, triple melt if you need. So I just used my good old sis Ruby Kisses in level 15 and 16 because I thought level 15 was going to get me by, because that's what I normally use. But I needed to throw some 16 on there because, ooh, but child, once I did that, it came together beautifully. Now, styling wise, this wig is better for straight or soft wave looks. It comes in body wave texture, which is gorgeous, but just know it doesn't hold curls well at all. I tried to add some layers. I curled it with the flat iron, barrel curler, my rotating curly wand. Nothing was holding the curls in his wig. I was like, is it me? And then I literally came back the next day after I filmed. I was like, no, it's the hair. So I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe it was me, trial and error, because I seen other videos of girls, they were able to curl this wig just fine. I don't know what it was. So if you're planning to curl it, make sure you use a strong spritz or hairspray if you want the curls to last, and layer it till you can't layer it no more, I guess. It doesn't hold curls long. This wig definitely eats when it's flat ironed. The hair takes well and gets that sleek flowy look that moves, and the ends aren't thin either, because I had reinstalled the wig before I resewed it and I straightened it. I was like, I'm not going to go through the hassle of trying to curl this wig again. I don't think so. And it ate down. Like, the hair was so long, I felt like a black Rapunzel. So if you go to get this wig, if you're not in the mood to deal with all that curling and layering mess, just go ahead and straighten it, because it eats. It eats. To be a TikTok shop wig, the quality is honestly impressive. I've tried a lot of different body wave wigs. Even though it doesn't curl, this wig actually was the full frontal and it was true to length, because some body wave like units, they be lying, because I had ordered a 26-inch from Amazon, and baby, it was given like 22, 23 at most, and they don't even make no damn 23 inches. So I was like, yeah, no. And the ends were so straggly on that wig, I had to trim it. But with this wig, it was full from the root to the tip, which I loved. And this one just stands out for its softness, true length, and clean install potential. Like, just long as you got a nice darker shade of lace tint or makeup for your lace, you will be good to go. Because make sure you have your lace products ready, because baby, it's gonna take a little work. And like, transparent lace, it's a real hit or miss depending on the company and depending on the quality of their transparent lace. Because I've had some transparent lace, like especially Hermosa hair on Amazon. Oh my god, like that transparent lace melts it down, like, oh my god. So if you're looking for a long, soft, beginner friendly unit that's great for sleek styles, then I would suggest that this one is most definitely worth checking out. Just don't expect long lasting curls unless you got spritz in hand. But I will have the TikTok shop link down below in the description box, and you can also check my TikTok page if you want to see more looks with this wig, because there is most definitely a video of me trying to curl this wig and struggling. Like, you can literally see the anger and anguish in my face, because I was like, bro, this wig is just not curling. So let me know if y'all have tried any wigs for Sterly hair, or if you want to. So I'm gonna stop y'all here. Bye. And this is the final look at the install. It came out tea. Like, I love me a good side part, a good body wave side part at that. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for my next video. Bye.